Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your rotate your videos. To do that, you're just going to select it. You can do it here, which will just rotate it, and you can also do it here, and you can also do it here, on the circle thing. So those are about 3 ways to do it. But on this side you can use the keyframes. On this one, not here. On this one you can't use the keyframes. So just keep that in mind. You need to use the rotation part over here if you want to use the keyframe of it rotating. For instance, you put it here and then you kind of rotate it. There will be another keyframe, and then again, if you want to rotate it again, you can do that. But that is pretty much how you can rotate your videos on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!